Copilot Studio allows us to build tools to answer questions immediately, accurately, and predictably. At T-Mobile, we are the largest and fastest communications network in the United States, and we strive to improve communications and fuel innovation. Customer experience is one of the things that makes T-Mobile great. If you walk into a store, we're going to figure out what you need and address that as fast as possible. Copilot Studio allowed us to build agents that replaced a PDF document that our frontline was using with a robust set of tooling that replies with tailored recommendations, and that enhances the customer shopping experience and increases customer satisfaction. AI is changing the way business works. You can no longer be satisfied with making small changes over and over. You need to make leaps and bounds to keep up with the market and the changing competition. And Copilot Studio allows you to do that rapidly, but with guardrails to feel responsible and safe. And I'm very excited to be a part of that.